13 colors with 13 thread changes, actually. And there's some of the colors. 800, it's embroidery style. 800 is the red. 00 is the white. And I know 900 is the black. 208 is orange. And 900 again black. It repeats. So when you see the 13 next to the thread, that means 13 thread changes. Could be the same color. 43,000 stitches is quite a bit. I won't have to change the bobbin. Bobbin usually, I think I get 3,000 stitches from the bobbin. And some of the products that I use is, I'll show you. I use the Solvay, the Sulky Solvay, water soluble, stabilizer. That's the topping. Then for temporary adhesive, I use the Sulky KK2000. It's environmentally friendly, safe for you, for the environment, for the planet. It's one of the projects. Now here, see if I can get in close to this. The top, you can see the result of a bobbin starting to empty out. You see the top? You see the bobbin stitches are being pulled through? All right, you see where I marked it? Change bobbin. Then it started to look fuller. The bottom was done with a thread a little thicker. That was a number 40 rayon on the bottom. And you can see how rich that looks, the gold. It's a nice look to it. Sorry. Yeah, that's first color. It's doing a nice job. Underlaying, it's doing underlaying. Gary, I'm doing a repair on some custom jeans.
I had to replace the button that was on here, the type that had the rivet. I used the same size. And what I had to do was I had to reinforce the fabric. I used this special stitch to hold the fabric together. Like a cross. Then the buttonhole, I did also some reinforcement. And there was some frayed material on the cuffs. So I used the special stitch on that. You can see this special stitch picked up the edge and crisscrossed it with another stitch on the inside. And I also did that here on this edge. So maybe they'll get another 5 years out of them. It's a very strong denim, well made. Should have a good brand zipper. A pair of pants like this, maybe the triple Y. I'm not sure what this might be. This could be possibly a European type. Well made though, you can see. Alright. Look at the stuff I try to do. I do 2 hands. But it has a lot of embroidery work on this. Look at this embroidery work. That's a nice high embroidery. All right, Inside Carry. Thank you for watching.